Hi guys on YouTube, Sabo the Clown here, and today I want to show you another one of my creations. This one is a latex cat prosthetic for my dear friend Angelina. I have made by myself this little prosthetic mask who can move with your face, and you can attack this one on your face without glue, because I have stitched this super cool elastic string on this mask. I have made a good job, I hope. Tell me what you think, my friends, and obviously see you soon for other videos of my collections, creations, and kind of stuff. Enjoy life, and see you soon. Bye bye.